Hello and welcome to our video on the topic of Never Believe a Prediction That Doesn't Empower You by Stephenson. In this video, we will be diving deep into the reasons why it's crucial to be cautious about the predictions we believe in. We will be exploring how certain predictions can hold us back and prevent us from reaching our full potential. You'll learn about the impact of our thoughts and beliefs on our reality, and how to use that understanding to empower ourselves. So, whether you're looking to improve your life, or just want to learn more about the power of positive thinking, this video is for you. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started on this empowering journey together. Number 1. Predictions can limit our potential. You see, when we start to believe in a prediction that doesn't serve us, it can hold us back and prevent us from reaching our full potential. Imagine, for example, if someone told you that you'll never be successful, or that you're not good enough. Now, if you start to believe that, you might limit yourself in what you try to achieve in life. You might not even try to pursue your goals and dreams because you believe you'll fail. And that's the thing, when we believe in predictions that don't empower us, it creates a self-fulfilling prophecy. We fail because we expect to fail. So, in short, when we believe in predictions that don't empower us, it can restrict our potential and limit the possibilities in our life. It's crucial to be cautious about the predictions we believe in, so make sure you surround yourself with positive and empowering predictions. Number 2. Predictions can discourage creativity and innovation. When we start to believe in negative predictions, it can make us feel like we're stuck and that we have no power to change our circumstances. This can prevent us from thinking outside the box and coming up with new and innovative ideas. On the other hand, when we believe in predictions that empower us, it can give us the freedom and confidence to think creatively and come up with new and innovative ideas. Positive predictions can inspire us to take risks, try new things and think creatively to achieve our goals. So, it's important to remember that while predictions can give us an idea of what might happen, they are not set in stone, and we have the power to change the outcome. Remember, you have the power to shape your own reality, and you should never believe a prediction that discourages creativity and innovation. Instead, choose to believe in predictions that empower you and inspire you to think creatively and take action to create the life you want. Number 3. Not all predictions are accurate. Just because someone makes a prediction doesn't mean it's going to come true. We live in a world that is constantly changing and evolving, and it's impossible to predict the future with 100% accuracy. Now, it's important to remember that predictions are just guesses or estimations, and they're not set in stone. Sometimes, predictions can be based on incomplete information or they can be influenced by personal biases. So, it's crucial to approach predictions with a healthy dose of skepticism and to question their accuracy. It's also important to remember that we have the power to change the outcome of our predictions by taking actions that align with our goals and aspirations. So, while it's important to be aware of predictions, it's also important not to let them limit our potential or discourage us from taking action. Remember, you have the power to shape your own reality, so don't be afraid to challenge predictions that don't empower you and to create your own path towards your goals. Number 4. Predictions can lead to a lack of personal responsibility. When we believe in predictions that don't serve us, we might start to feel like we have no control over our lives, and we might start to blame outside factors for our failures. This can create a sense of helplessness, and it can prevent us from taking action to change our circumstances. Now, it's important to remember that we are the masters of our own destiny. We have the power to shape our reality, and we have the ability to take action to change our circumstances. When we take personal responsibility for our lives, we empower ourselves to make changes and to shape our own reality. It's also important to remember that predictions can be influenced by personal biases, so it's important to question them, and not to use them as an excuse for not taking action. Remember, you have the power to create your own reality, and taking personal responsibility for your life is a key step in empowering yourself to shape your future. So, don't let predictions hold you back and take action to create the life you want. Number 5. Predictions can foster dependency on external validation. When we start to believe in predictions that don't serve us, it can make us rely on the validation of others to feel good about ourselves. We might start to feel like we need other people's approval to be happy, and that we're not good enough without it. Now, this can be a dangerous mindset to fall into because it can make us lose touch with our own sense of self-worth. It can make us put our happiness in the hands of others, and it can prevent us from living our own lives. But the truth is, we don't need external validation to be happy. We have the power to shape our own reality, and we have the ability to take action to change our circumstances. So, it's important to remember that while other people's opinions can be valuable, they should not be the determining factor in how we feel about ourselves. Remember, you have the power to shape your own reality, and you should never believe a prediction that makes you rely on external validation. Instead, choose to believe in predictions that empower you, and take action to create the life you want. And that's it for our video on the topic of Reasons to Never Believe a Prediction That Doesn't Empower You, by Stephenson. We hope you've learned about the importance of understanding the power of our thoughts and beliefs, and how they can shape our reality. We also hope you've understood the idea that the predictions we choose to believe in should empower and uplift us, rather than holding us back. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on similar topics, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful.